If you want to paste a photo into another photo on iPhone 17e, first of all we can open our Photos app. Now from the library, first we need to choose the photo where we have something that we want to paste into another photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this car toy over here. Now what you need to do is you want to press and hold your finger on that subject that you want to paste into another photo. So I'm gonna press and hold over here. You will see these additional options at the bottom of or below the selected subject, and you want to choose Add Sticker. There we go. Now in here we should be able to have our sticker immediately added. So now we can close this and we can go back to the library and then choose the second photo that you want to use. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We're gonna go into the editing of the photo. We're gonna start editing it. Then we need to open markup tools, which are available here in the upper right corner. We have this pen icon in a circle. And then once you open the markup tool, you can use this plus that we have in the bottom right corner. And then here choose Add Sticker. Now after that, we can select our sticker that we just have created. And we should be able to adjust its size. And of course, we can adjust its position as well. So let's say I'm gonna paste it over here. There we go. We can of course press this plus button in order to duplicate it, and we can keep going. You can still tap on that subject in case you want to make some adjustments. Here we have some additional tools as well, like cut, copy, paste, duplicate, and remove background. And once you are done, just tap on this check in the upper right corner. And of course we need to save our photo, so we can tap on a done, or you can tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and you can save as duplicate, most likely at least. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.